Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you a simple crypto trading strategy that some traders use to try and make around $100 a day using Coinbase Pro and TradingView. To have a realistic chance of making around $100 per day, you'll generally need a trading account of around $2,500 or more. While you can start with less, it usually takes much longer to reach that goal. The strategy starts with TradingView for chart analysis and CoinMarketCap to find the top 30 cryptocurrencies by market cap. These coins usually have high trading volume and better liquidity, making them more suitable for day trading. Add the coins available on Coinbase to your TradingView watchlist. Next, use the 15-minute chart and add two indicators, RSI and MACD. Keep the RSI levels at 70 and 30. An RSI above 70 suggests a coin may be overbought, while below the 30th of May indicate it's oversold. The MACD helps identify changes in momentum. Look for coins with strong daily momentum. Then wait for the MACD lines to cross upward and the histogram to turn green before entering a trade. Never buy before the crossover, as the trend may continue downward. When the green histogram bars begin getting smaller, it often signals that momentum is slowing. Many traders use this as a cue to take profits. Place your trades using limit orders on Coinbase Pro instead of market orders so you have more control over your entry price. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.